उपस्थित सभी मान्यवर, अध्यापक, विद्यार्थी एवं श्रोतागण, आप सभी का दीपावली उत्सव के उपलक्ष्य में हार्दिक स्वागत है। रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर ILBS डॉक्टर अनिल अग्रवाल सर, respected Vice Chancellor ILBS Dr. Sareen sir, all the faculty members, staff and all the members of ILBS family. We welcome you all for the Diwali celebrations here today. Now I request Deputy Head Non-Medical and HR Colonel Ram sir to give the welcome address.
Good afternoon everybody. I welcome Dr. Shiv Kumar Sareen sir, the founder director and the Vice Chancellor of the Institute, Dr. Anil Kumar Agarwal, Director ILBS, the faculty and all the staff of the Institute for this Diwali function. We've been celebrating this Diwali function since the inception of the Institute, and so the first function was held in 2009 in multipurpose hall in phase 1, where I conducted the whole function along with a quiz. Now, since then, this is a regular event, and except for last 2 years, where due to COVID, the same could not be done. The Diwali has a special place in our lives. We all know that Lord Ram underwent 14 years of exile to fulfill the promise of his father. And those 14 years were the years for despair, unhappiness for the people of Ayodhya. Now, Diwali is the day when, after winning after a big battle of 82 days against Ravan and a victory of good over evil, he returned to Ayodhya along with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman. That day ended all the pain and despair for the people of Ayodhya, and he was welcomed with diyas full of hope, happiness, and life. In the same way, the whole world, including our country, is undergoing for the last 2 years due to COVID-19 in a lot of despair, and we all pray to Almighty that this festival of Diwali will remove all the grief and unhappiness from our life and fill our life with happiness, hope, and light. We'll be lighting diyas after this function. The diyas are all placed outside the auditorium, and I request all of you to light diyas. Now there's another. Lord Ram had an ardent follower or a devotee in Hanumanji. His loyalty, that is Hanumanji's loyalty towards Ram, was unflinching. He was given a responsibility to go and meet Sita ji in Lanka. After encountering a lot of difficulties, finally he met Sita ji and conveyed the message of Lord Ram to her. Afterwards, after a battle with the demons, he was caught and reduced before Ravan, and Ravan ordered his demons to put his tail on fire. Now, chapter 7 of Ramcharitmanas deals with the Lanka Dahan in detail. I am going to recite a small portion of those. बसन बटोरी बोरी बोरी तेल तमिचर खोरी खोरी धाई आई बांधत लंगूर है तेसु कपि कोत को डरात के लात के आघात सहे जी में कहे कूर है बाल किल कारी के तारी देत गारी देत बाल धी बढ़न लागी ठोर ठोर दिन्ही आगी बिंधी की दवारी कहंदो कटी कत सूर है. Meaning that when the demons of Raman produced Hanumanji in front of him and he said that his tail should be set on fire, the Hanumanji, as he was, his tail started increasing in length and he started jumping from one building to another and set the entire Lanka on fire. The lesson which we learn from this is when a difficult task and a responsibility was given to Hanumanji, he carried out with full dedication and loyalty, even when his own life was at risk. Similarly, during COVID-19, we all healthcare workers also went through a difficult time. Our own life was at risk, but the healthcare workers have done a good job, and it is a lesson which we are drawing from the life of Hanumanji, that we should carry out our duty with full dedication. Now, in the end, I once again wish all of you a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali. May God bless your life and life of your families with happiness, prosperity, and good health. Thank you very much.
The significance of Deepavali is the removal of darkness and ignorance from the mind and filling it with goodness. The year 2020 will go down the memory as a challenging year, but also the tremendous courage, resilience, and hardship of facing an epic pandemic, and there was shadow of darkness looming all over us. But the light of our scientific knowledge producing vaccines in such a short time, the fire of our high spirits to overcome the challenge of vaccinating such a huge population, and the fragrance of joy of all the healthcare workers working and toiling hard in sun and wind, and the crackling enthusiasm of the people to take the vaccine. All these have made us see the sparkling lights of joyful Diwali today. And it makes us proud that ILBS has been leading center for vaccination and has vaccinated almost 160,000 people till date. So huge round of applause for all the healthcare workers here. So we gather here to share our similarities and celebrate our differences. For the auspicious beginning of the occasion, may I request Director ILBS Dr. Anil Agarwal sir, VC Dr. Sareen sir, Head Operations and Deputy Head Non-Medical and HR Colonel Ram sir, Deputy Head Operations Dr. Badwal sir to kindly come on the dais for the lamp lighting. May I please request Dean Dr. Vijay Kumar sir to please join them. So the occasion is also graced by Dr. Daga sir and Dr. Arora sir, Dr. Hanuman sir. I request them to kindly join us for the lamp lighting. Dr. Sood sir. We also have the presence of Dr. Deepak Tempe sir, who are the new members of our ILBS family. I request them to kindly join us on stage. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.